Happy Pi Day, coding wizards! Now, it's no secret that we're huge fans of 314 around here. It appears in many places in mathematics, and in fact, we even used pi in a video earlier this year, part 2 in our series on finding the curve on a seemingly flat Earth. Now, while I love mathematics and discovering pi in unique places and different equations, sometimes it's nice to just have a little bit of fun with pi. And it's even nice if we can sometimes use pi in art. Now, if you pay close attention in many of our videos, you'll notice this sculpture appears, sometimes hidden in the background. If you look closely at it, you'll see it's made of pies and they go up in a shape where we had to use pi in the equation and then print it with a 3D printer. I've made a pumpkin pie, which was a Halloween jack-o'-lantern carved with the pi symbol in it. But an interesting way that we can use pi now is by making digital art. Now, this doesn't always use pi directly, but one of my favorite examples is what's known as a dragon fractal. And it's made by doing a simple recursive pattern which involves rotating at each step pi over 2 radians or 90 degrees. Another really interesting way to use pi in digital art or digital animations is by making what's called Fourier series or Fourier circles. And here we've used them to make pi using Fourier circles. Now, these Fourier series use circles and sines and cosines to draw any shape, actually. And the more circles you use, the closer your approximation becomes. Here you see we use 20 circles, and we can zoom in here and get a closer look at what's happening. Now, with 20 circles, it's a pretty good approximation, but you see it has that loop there. So if we use less circles, our approximation would be worse, and more circles better. So here are examples with 5 circles, 10 circles, 20 again, and 100 circles. How about you? Do you have any favorite pi art, digital or otherwise? Drop a comment below and let us know. And until we see each other again, keep taming irrationality bit by bit.